Hey students, I hope you're ready for today's rhythm workout. The goal of this lesson is to gain the skill and the confidence to play a steady rhythm underneath a popular song that is in 4/4 time, or any piece of music in 4/4 time. By mastering these rhythms, you'll be on your way to composing your own rhythmic accompaniments to the music you choose. In the PDF attached to this lesson, I provided you with 43 different rhythms in 4/4 time. That's a lot, but I wanted you to have them for future use. For right now, we'll focus on rhythms 1 to 12, which consist of different patterns of quarter notes and eighth notes. It helps if you run them off on your printer, but you could also write these different rhythm combinations down on a piece of paper. As we remember, in 4/4 time, there are 4 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. Since the eighth notes are half as long as a quarter note, it takes 2 eighth notes to equal 1 quarter note, or 2 eighth notes to equal 1 beat. Rhythm number 1 is the most basic pattern in 4/4 time, and it is essential because this is the pattern that keeps the steady beat. The challenge of keeping the steady beat is to maintain a consistent tempo. Don't let it get too fast, and don't let it get too slow. I'll do the rhythm number 1 measure 2 times using ta as the word for quarter note. Please feel free to join me. Ta, 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 ta. Looking at rhythm number 2, which consists of 4 groups of eighth notes in pairs, an eighth note is called T, and so an eighth note pair is called TT. So this 4-beat measure 2 times sounds like this. T, 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 T. In rhythm number 3, the first beat is a TT followed by 3 tas, or T, ta, 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 T, ta, ta, ta. And in rhythm number 4, the first beat is a quarter note followed by 2 eighth notes and winding up with 2 quarter notes, or ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, ta. And notice how I'm giving the first beat of each measure more emphasis. Now we'll play these 4 rhythms in an echo style to a backing track. I'll play each rhythm twice and you echo it back to me. Then I'll play each rhythm 1 time and you echo it back to me. Then I'll play the entire rhythm sequence without stopping, and then you can play it. One, 2, 3, 4, back to 1. There's no need to stick to the numerical sequence on the cards. Experiment. Have fun with different combinations. Cut the rhythms into strips, shuffle them, and randomly come up with a sequence. Here we have measure 5, followed by measure 9. I chose a repeat bar in the 3rd spot so that we can hear that opening rhythm again. We wind up the phrase with number 6. Reading with rhythm syllables, we have ta, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, 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 ti, ti. Now let's find out how this works with music. Number 5 and 9, 5 and 6, 5, 9, repeat, 5 and 6. When you put these different patterns together, you can start to make some basic, solid rhythms underneath a lot of contemporary pop songs. It's helpful to write your rhythms down so that you can share them with other musicians who might want to join you in a rhythm section. It's a challenge to keep a consistent rhythm underneath a song in any genre, but all the other musicians in the ensemble depend on your ability to keep the rhythm and the tempo consistent. Thanks for listening, and thanks for practicing.